Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you all? I bought another new video for you. Hope this video will be useful for you, especially girls. In this video we will know about the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So let's watch the video. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for the face and body is a moisturizer that is formulated to strengthen the skin barrier. With ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid, the texture of the cream is rich and deeply hydrating, and it's formulated to be absorbed quickly, without leaving a greasy residue on the skin. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is meant for dry and very dry skin, and according to the company, the patented delivery system continually releases moisturizing ingredients for 24-hour hydration. The cream is non-comedogenic, oil-free, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and suitable for sensitive skin. In this review, we'll discuss the key ingredients in this moisturizer, how to use it, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream reviews from real customers, and more. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream reviews on ulta.com are overall very positive, with the product receiving an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. After more than 500 customer reviews, fans praise the cream for being moisturizing, non-greasy, gentle, and say that it helps improve skin texture. It also received plenty of accolades from those with eczema. For example, one review says, "Best moisturizer ever. It's thick and heavy, but does not leave my skin greasy at all. Within 4 days of first using it, my eczema patches are smoothed over and continue to be kept at bay. The redness has also gone away, and There are also many positive CeraVe Moisturizing Cream reviews from customers who use it on their face and see many positive benefits. For example, one review says, "Started using this a year ago when regular body lotion wasn't moisturizing enough. I was living on an island and time in the sun was drying out my skin, and this product saved me. I now use it on my face as well because of my acne medication. I love that it's available in different sizes." Customers who gave the cream a 1-star rating generally had a bad reaction to it, such as a burning feeling or breakouts, while others found the texture to be tacky. As one reviewer wrote, "I have dry patches all over my cheeks that burn even just when wind hits them. I got bumps all over my face which I've never had happen, and I just couldn't continue to use it." With dermatologists, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream has a unique formula that provides 24-hour hydration and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, 1362, and hyaluronic acid. This rich, non-greasy, fast-absorbing formula is ideal for sensitive skin on both the face. Thank you for watching the video. Check the link in the description box for more details. If you like our video, then please subscribe.